Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you all are happy and well at your homes. Uh, Basically, these are the crises which can create huge, devastating things on the lives of all the human beings. And in this time of desperation, we have to be positive so that we can improve our lives better in the future. And I hope that you all are use this time for the useful things. Okay. uh, I hope that last time we had discussed our chapter what is democracy and why democracy in the class 9 syllabus. You had understand that chapter, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also call me. Okay, so today we are starting our next chapter of our syllabus, uh, class 9th, first chapter of geography, India, location and its size. So first of all, I would like to introduce you the basic term and concepts of this chapter. So first of all, what are the topics which are covered in this chapter, which we will cover in this chapter. So first of all, I would like to introduce you the basic terms and concepts of this chapter. The concepts of India, why India is named by so different names, why we call it as Hindustan, why we call it as India, why we call it as Aryavrat. There are so many names of India. Okay, what is the latitude of India? What is the longitude of India? What is the why India? Why Indian Ocean is why Indian Ocean is named by the India? Okay, what is the standard time of India? What is the local time of India? What is latitude, longitude of India? What are the northernmost, easternmost, southernmost, and uh, westernmost point of India? And why there is a time difference of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? What are the uh, sea passes? What are the basically passes through which the ancient invaders came India? What are the different things of this chapter, and all the things which we will cover in the next sections of this video. Okay, so today is the first video of this chapter, and we will cover this chapter in two videos. This is the first video of this chapter, class 9 chapter 1 of geography, India, location and its size. So first of all I would like to introduce you first of all I would like to introduce you the term India, okay, or Bharat. Basically, there are many names of India. Like first of all, Bharat, India, Hindustan, Aryavrat, Rigvedic Desh. So many different names of India. Okay, so India is a country which has been continue through the immemorial times. From the Indus Valley civilization to till 2020, the India is moving from that date to up till date. Okay, so India is known by different names. India is gone through many different condition, many different dynasties, many different cultures, ideas, traditions and values. Basically, if we talk about India, then India is a very unique country in the whole world. Okay, because India has so many things which are diverse in nature, and these things make India unity in diversity. We can call India it as a unity in diversity. Why we call India it as unity and diversity? Because there are so many religions, so many cultures which are embroiled in Indian state. Okay, there are many peoples who came to India in the ancient time or in the medieval time, in the modern time. They came India and they go through the cultures and the values and tradition of India, and they uh, go deeper into the culture and tradition of India. Okay, there is a one proverb about India that one who came India never go back from our country. Okay, so that is India is a very unique country. So first of all, I would give you the different names by which India is called upon. Okay, so first, India is also known by different names: India, Hindustan, Bharat, Aryavrat, Rigvedic Desh. So first of all, I would like to discuss the names, the mystery behind these names. Okay, so first of all, we discuss India. Why we called Bharat or Hindustan it is India, okay, or Aryavrat is India. Basically, India is named by the Indus Valley civilization because India is developed across the uh, India is developed from the Indus Valley civilization, and the Indus river is flowing through the India. So that's why the Greeks which came India in the ancient time called this land as India on the basis of Indus River. Okay, so that's why they called it as India. Okay, so we called it as Bharat because there is a king named Dushyant and his wife Shakuntala, which are the part of this land, and their son named Bharat, on which this name is gave upon the term India. Okay, the next term of Hindustan. Hindustan term is given by the Muslim invaders of India. They called it as Hindustan because in this land Hindus are lived, so that's why they called it as Hindustan. Okay, and if we talk about Aryavrat, so basically this land is the inhabited land of basically Aryans. The Aryans migrated from uh, Central Asia and they settled in the northern parts of India, and by their settlement, okay, so they are also known by this term Aryan Vrat. Okay, or basically, as far I earlier I told you all the names which are aligned to India, which by which India is called upon. Okay, India, Bharat, Hindustan, Aryavrat. Okay, so basically now we will go to the next concept, peninsula. Okay, India is also called a peninsula. Why? What is a peninsula? First of all, we would like to discuss what is peninsula. So peninsula is a landmass which is surrounded by three sides of water. Okay, basically peninsula is a landmass which is surrounded by three sides from water. Like India is a peninsula. Why India is called as peninsula? Because in the western side India is surrounded by Arabian Sea. In the eastern side India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, and in the southern side India is surrounded by Indian Ocean. So that's why we called it as a peninsula, because peninsula is a landmass which is surrounded by three sides of water and one side of land. Okay, so this is called, why we call India it as a peninsula. Okay, so two concepts are completed, the names of India and the peninsula. Okay, so let's go to the next topic. What is latitude and longitude of India? So the latitude of India, basically if we talk about the latitude of India, then India lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, if we talk about northern hemisphere, then we can see that India is situated between 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Okay, so this is the latitude of India. And first of all, we have to know about what is latitude. So latitude is the location or the situation of any country which show that, basically which tells us about the temperature or the climate of or location of any country. Okay, so latitude tells us about the exact location, exact place and exact climate of that country. Okay, so the latitude of India is 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Now I would like to give you the concept of longitude of India. So the longitude of India is from 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Means India is situated in the eastern hemisphere. Okay, if we talk about northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, on the basis of eastern and western, basically India is situated on the eastern part of the earth. Okay, so basically the latitude or the longitude, basically the longitude of any country tells us about the time of that country, and I will give you one more concept, that uh, earth is revolving around the sun or rotating its own axis. Okay, the time for rotating the earth, the completion of one rotation of earth on its own axis 24 hours, and the completion of one revolution or one round of the sun is of 365 days, and in the case of leap year it is 366 days. Okay, so basically होता क्या है, when earth moved around the sun, when earth moved, then earth move around the sun from west to east, so the eastern places are first, the eastern places are come first to face the sun, so that's why eastern ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस हैव गेन सनलाइट फर्स्ट फ्रॉम द लेटर, मीन्स ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे क्या होता है, सूरज पहले आता है, वेस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे बाद में आता है। तो होता क्या है कि ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे आपका आने की वजह से सूरज पहले निकलता है, वेस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे सूरज बाद में निकलता है। दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड द ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस हैव द ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस आर फॉरवर्ड इन केस ऑफ टाइम एंड वेस्टर्न प्लेसेस आर बैकवर्ड इन केस ऑफ टाइम। मीन्स ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे आपका क्या होता है, आपका दिन आगे होता है, और वेस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे क्या होता है आपका, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि ईस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे आपका अगर दिन हो रहा हो तो वेस्टर्न प्लेसेस पे आपका रात होती है। क्यों, उस केस को भी हम देखेंगे, विच विल डिस्कस इन द लेटर सेक्शंस। ओके, सो बेसिकली नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट जब अर्थ मूव करता है, व्हेन अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन, देन टू basically when earth moves around the sun, then it moves 360 degree, and when earth moves 1 degree, earth moves 1 degree, or earth revolves 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, clear? So basically earth moves 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा है, कॉन्सेप्ट बाद में आपके बहुत काम आएगा, तो उसको ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग, ठीक है। Now we are discussing about the easternmost point, northernmost point, westernmost point, and the southernmost point of India. The easternmost point of India, easternmost means सबसे east में कौन सा point है? The easternmost point of India is Walango, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, the westernmost point of India is what? The westernmost point of India is Sar Creek in Gujarat. The northernmost point of India is Indra Col in Jammu and Kashmir, and Indra Point in the what? The point in the Indian Ocean, basically in Kanyakumari. Okay, after Kanyakumari, basically in 2004 Indra Point was dropped by the tsunami. Okay, so these are the 4 points of India which covers which gets the direction of east, north, west and south. Okay, so these are the 4 northernmost point, eastern, western and southernmost point of India. I hope that you understand the concept. Okay, and in the later section which we discuss, that is the time difference of Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 2 hours. Okay, so first of all we have to understand the concept of time. Okay, basically if we talk about time, then we can say that the whole time of the world, पूरा time जो होता है, that is calculated from the from the Greenwich Mean Time that is situated in London. ओके, ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम, जहां से पूरी दुनिया का टाइम क्या होता है, कैलकुलेट आपका किया जाता है। ओके, ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम। ओके, इफ द टाइम एट ग्रीनविच इज 12 PM of noon, then the time of India is 5:30 of evening, because India is 5 hours 30 minutes far from the time of far from the times of Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, what is that time difference? We have to understand that basically. Now I would give you the example to calculate the difference of Arunachal Pradesh with Gujarat. Basically Gujarat is situated at 68 degrees 7 minutes eastern longitude, and Arunachal Pradesh is situated at 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. If we differentiate, if we subtract Arunachal Pradesh longitude from Gujarat longitude, if we subtract the Gujarat time from Gujarat longitude from Arunachal longitude, then this comes at 30 degree. Okay, and as I told you earlier that earth revolves around the earth 1 degree in 4 minutes, then this comes 30 degree, then 30 degree into 4, that is 120 degree. Okay, 120 minutes. Okay, 120 minutes means 2 hours. So the time difference of Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is, that's why it is of 2 hours. Okay, and I hope that you understand the concept that Gujarat is of longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes and Arunachal is of longitude of 97 degree 25 minutes east. When we subtract Gujarat from Arunachal Pradesh, then the value is of 30 degree approximate. And if we multiply 30 degree by 4, because 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, then 30 degree into 4 is equal to 120 minutes. So the time of Arunachal Pradesh from Gujarat is of 2 hours, means Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours. The sun is rise 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh than in Gujarat, means अरुणाचल प्रदेश में 2 घंटे सूरज पहले आ जाता है गुजरात में आने से. तो यही कारण है इंडिया ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम से 5.5 घंटे आगे है. सो दैट्स वाई द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड द इंडिया इज 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, I hope that you understand the concept. So now I would like to give you the Indian Standard Time. So first of all, we have to discuss about what is Standard Time and what is local time. So Standard Time, Standard Time is the time which is taken for a whole country. Means Standard Time वो time होता है जो पूरी country के लिए आपका लिया जाता है. And is a local time. Local time is the time of a local place. Like there are so many cities in India, like Arunachal Pradesh, so many cities. Okay, so basically if we talk about the Surat, the time of Surat is different, the time of Sikkim is different, the time of Arunachal is different. Okay, that is a local place. Okay, local place का time अलग अलग होगा. And if we talk about standard time, then we can say that the standard time of any country is one, only one. Okay, when we take one time of the whole country, then this is called a standard time. Standard time means the one time of the whole country. Okay, the standard time of India is calculated from the Mirzapur, a place which is situated in Uttar Pradesh near Allahabad or Prayagraj. Okay, so we calculate the time of India from a place situated Mirzapur in Allahabad, Mirzapur, which is situated nearby Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so basically why we taken as the standard time, because it is situated in between the countries. So that's why we take it as the standard time of India, and that is the standard time of India is 82.5 degree. Okay, 82.5 degree east. Okay, 82.5 degree east. Okay, 82.5 degree east. So that is the standard time of India, and we taken it as the standard time of India. And if we convert it into minutes, then we can say that 82.5 degree, as you know that 1 degree is of 4 minutes, and 82.5 degree into 4, then this will come 330 minutes. So basically 330 minutes means 5 hours 30 minutes. So that's why the time of India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Means the time at London, if the time of London is 12 p.m, then the time of India will be 5:30 of evening. Okay, so that is the main reason behind the time difference of 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, I hope that you understand the concept of this topic. So basically these are the topics we had covered in so far. So first of all, we had discussed about the names of India, why it is a peninsula, the standard time, local time of India. Okay, latitude, longitude of India, why there is a difference of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, and what is Greenwich Mean Time, and what is the standard meridian of India, and what is the local time of India. Okay, I hope that you understand all the basic concept related to time and difference, latitude, longitude, and the different concepts of this chapter. This is the first part of the video, and in the next video we will discuss about so many things of this chapter. Okay, so thank you for watching.